have to continue with the program, and I'm just about to introduce our very next act. Lakini niwakumbushe kitu moja. TV47 has relaunched. We have a brand new look, and we're saying that we're giving you Kenyan content. We're telling real Kenyan authentic stories. Sawa? Lakini kwa sahi, I want to introduce these two amazing guys. These guys make music for the soul. Wanasema na wanatenda. Ni vijana wa watendawili. Ni vijana wa vitendawili. Make some noise for watendawili.
Don't cause us stress. Smoke up some more while we left.